Hi, I'm Patty Foss, and I have been painting probably for the last 3 years, and I started out just taking some small classes, and then a good friend of mine turned me on to the Milan Art Institute, and I couldn't even draw my hand when I started. It was like, draw your hand, and now I can draw my hand, I can draw a lion, and I'm really using the right side of my brain. And I think the things that I've learned is to kind of pull from here versus thinking it all out and talking to myself and saying, oh, I can't do this. Instead, it's just been so exciting for DIMITRA and for Ellie to just pull this out of me and to know that I am an artist, to know that I can paint. And I'm really, really grateful for this opportunity to do this.
My name's Chase. I'm a mastery program student here at the Milan Art Institute. And honestly, before I came here, I never really saw myself like as an artist. I knew I was always like good with like the art class, like I could do things when people like told me what to do. But then when I came here, it was just such like an eye-opening experience, especially with Ellie and DIMITRA. They're so passionate about what they do that it immediately rubs off on like everybody around you. And I just love being here. Like Mondays are my favorite day of the week. And I used to just love weekends. Like I hated school, but now it's just like every Thursday when it's over, I'm just like waiting for the Monday.
I personally haven't had a better class experience than the classes I've had here at Milan Art Institute. I've taken college classes before and they teach the same principles, but they're never as hands-on or as focused as Ellie's classes have been, and I'm a really big fan of the way that she teaches.
Hi, I'm Julie Hazy, and I'm a student at the Milan Art Institute, and I'm actually from North Dakota, and I moved down here. And art is one of the things that crosses all lines. It doesn't matter if you're fat or thin or white or black or whatever. When you come to the Milan Institute, you're treated with respect, and you're taught to be your very best, whether it's painting or drawing. And I started out as a crafter, and I'm sure many of you have done craft, but now I feel like I really am a fine artist. And that's because of the people that work here, the people that have taught me here, and the Milan Institute is just a great place, and I hope you can experience all the support that I've had.
Hello, I'm Constantino and I'm 13. I make jewelry all the time and I really enjoy it. And I plan to be a professional jeweler. I just recently started taking this mastery program because I really wanted to find my voice and who I was, so I could find like my personal style for my jewelry, and this class is really, really helping me so far, and I'm really, really loving it a lot.
Well, I'm Dale Miller. By nature, I'm a correctional officer for the past almost decade, and I've always had a strong desire and want to draw, paint, just be an artist. But because of my upbringing and the way I am, I never thought it could be a realistic reality, whatever. And then I came to the informational seminar here at Milan Art Institute, and hearing the discussion and the questions answered, I took a leap of faith, and since I've been here, the instruction from Ellie and DIMITRA and John, it's just been phenomenal. I lacked a lot of confidence coming in here because I'm 50 years old. Almost all my kids, well, my third daughter is going to be married this weekend. And just taking that leap of faith to start a new career and just very scary, but the encouragement and the instruction and everything has just been phenomenal, and I'm just anxious to see where it takes me.